guys, welcome to my crib. I want to show you a little office tour, so come on in. Here we have our beautiful reception. I really wanted something stunning for patients to wait in, so we have a flower wall, photo op area for the archway with our logo, and then I have my two front desk receptions, but come on this way. We got this archway custom made, and here on the immediate left we have a welcoming snack station with coffee and tea and a little refrigerator with personalized water. Here we have a patient where they are greeted and sat into this exam chair. The mats are here for more of an injector fatigue for standing. And I love that this office gets plenty of sunlight and it actually has a view where my other office didn't have that. I love that we have a mirror facing on the wall for the patients. They love staring at themselves, especially because they're about to get the procedure. They want to kind of follow along. A little nail stand and chair, and then people love watching what we offer on the TV as before and afters. A membership card and Wi-Fi and scanning for Alley Flash and Aspire, some chocolates and hand sanitizer. If you guys want to see what's in my cabinets, let me know. Happy to film that video. Here we have a volume control for each room, which I really love and appreciate because some rooms need a little more quiet or a patient doesn't really want to listen to loud music. I don't know if it went over on that side, but we have a little guest chair for our patients. Something that I was in a pickle with when I first created this room with my designer was that I hated that the patient's back was towards their friend's face. So I kind of played with this design of facing it towards this way so it can be more interactive. They can see the view. But my designer made a good point. You never have a patient's chair facing away from the door when you enter if you think of any other doctor's office. So I like that she brought that up. And let's go over this way. I want to show you guys my office next. Little pop of greenery. Here we have a personalized, customized scent. We got the designers from Disneyland to make I think it's a white tea orchid smell, so I love it. It's pumping throughout the entire office, so you just know that iconic Beauty Boost smell when you come in. Here's my office. I'm in love with it. I have an exam chair in here because it will be eventually, hopefully, a training area for you guys to come visit me. I have my academic accolades and awards here. Actually, no, I don't have my degree here. It's just more marketing, I guess. Coming here, this is my desk where I work. This could be also consult area, but I love how open and inviting it is. And two monitors here before, but I couldn't see the opposite end, so I kind of kicked it out. My husband has his little work area here. He is now very much integrated in the team, even though he does real estate full time as well. And then I just wanted this to be really cozy and welcoming, so when I have like reps come in, we just have a little casual meeting on the couch. So maybe one day I can convert that area to a little playpen for the babies, but we're working on that. So here I have the checkout area. And the checkout area is another area where I thought we could have an opportunity to do a photo op, even though people don't really do that. It's also just super cute, super girly. Really like the dimension that me and my designer came up with on the walls because we just felt like it was blank. So love this detailing of the crown molding. And then this fluffy chair I got from Target.com, and this was from House, Houzz. Everyone loves those lips. And then this desk, including the two reception desks at the front, are custom made. Very pricey, so sorry I don't have a link for you on that, but I really like how it does have the little inlet here. And then of course our retail display. I love the archways. I think that's so girly, so cute, and just fits my vision board. This was really, really important for me to have, and my designer just nailed it. In case you guys want to know my designer, it's Michelle Palathis. You can find her on Instagram, and I can put her in the description. Here it's locked, but this is my utility cabinet. This is where I have all of the cameras and recordings and music control in here. So I like that it's locked away. I have a kitchen break room. We are still underway with making this a more cozy space for the staff, but I will be getting like lip wallpaper back here, which I'm excited about. Little TV for them to relax and chill. Plant and pink couch for like a cozy, fun vibe. And then I really like that it's separate from the entire area for just the smells, you know, when we're doing some meal prep. But let's go this way. So down this hallway, you'll notice 3 amazing chandeliers. I actually wanted 6, but due to cost, I had to cut it out. But I love how girly, and it feels like a jewelry box in here. I wanted it super, super fun and exciting to walk down this aisle. And then these frames, believe it or not, are from Home Goods. I got like 2 from one location and 2 from another, and it just looks really beautiful on this wall. And in here is the staff room, which is a common work area. I really loved how the aesthetic assistants and the injectors and even esthetician come in here to collaborate. I really like a teamwork type of environment. Above here, each staff member has their area to store their personal belongings, so it's not messy on their desk or underneath the desk. Here on the whiteboard, we have promotions, packages, and just reminders for our staff every day. And then all of our electronics stored on this nice little charging stations. And then back here, I have a little coat area that we put all of our jackets and white coats. And then back here is a utility area of my injectables and medical supplies and utility cabinet. And how cute is this little IV pool, you guys? I love that we personalized that for Beauty Boost. And then down this hallway is 2 of the same exact treatment rooms you just saw. I really didn't want each treatment room to be any different than the other, so everyone has the same experience. But the only difference here is that we do have the Silform machine here, and unfortunately we don't have a mirror on this wall because we couldn't fit one as just the curvature of this wall, even though I would have really loved that. Same thing in this room, mirrored identically to the other 2 rooms. And then, so that is 3 treatment rooms and my office that you saw so far. The last 2 rooms here is the esthetician room, which is smaller. We wanted this area nice and dark and cozy and down the hall and separated from all the noise and commotion. Last 2 areas, we have the kitchenette area, which we needed a sink nearby an esthetician room for state board regulations and just a more storage space. Unfortunately, we don't have an in-house bathroom, so they do have to go out to the hallway and use it. But what's great about this building is that there's literally only 2 suites per floor, and the other suite that shares this floor is not even like a operating business. It's more of just like an office. Last but not least, we have a social media room. Lucky marketing manager, that's the girl behind the camera here. We wanted this area to be like a more like a filmable area, so we have plenty of natural sunlight. This was ideally going to be our wall for the backdrop of our videos, just for consistent background. And then 2 stations because our marketing team is growing. So we're underway with making this more of a workable space and maybe a profitable room at some point, but we're just not there yet. Hope you guys love this tour, and let me know what you guys want to see next.